Yeah, put salt, yeah. Put enough salt in that'll make it tasty. That'll give it sense.
So, Anya, what are they cooking now?
So what we have on fire is some cow food boiling, and we also have our beef and stockfish boiling as well. We're going to start making our yam vegetable and some ogbono soup afterwards.
Okay.
So we're just prepping our kitchen as we do at home.
Yeah.
Before we start cooking.
Thank you.
I prefer to watch it. That's my personal preference.
Don't let this love fade away. Yeah. Let your love be magical. Let me make it chemical. Yeah. If you be my babe.
You're rubbing them together so that the skin come off. Rubbing. Like this. Your hands, press it against each other.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like,
Like you're scrubbing a...
it's because my bowl is small. That's probably
You have a
why.
big bowl.
Do you eat ogbono soup often?
Not often, but I do like it.
Yeah, so it's good to learn how to make it as well.
Definitely.
That's nice. What's this leaf called?
Ugu.
Oh, okay, pumpkin leaf.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, they're bringing out one now.
Sorry.
We'll add more water too. Okay.
Add more water to this.
Okay. So how do we all feel about our three of this? Let's see how Dory is.
Oh,
Let's see how Dory yours is.
wow.
Let's see how Dory yours is, Tochi.
Oh dear.
Let's see how yours is. Okay. Can someone tell me something?
Okay, I think you got the assignment.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
In Kwabi.
Use a smaller one. Leave it. Just leave it here. Use this one. Okay. Just only the smaller. Oh. This one? Is that enough? I said half of it. Oh, more.
That's fine, thanks.
But if I have some after then, yeah.
Okay.
Is this your table or my?
Yes.
So I'm just drinking. Oh, you used to tables. Wow.
Well, I don't know.
Who has one? I mean, I don't have.
If you want to.
You don't have to cry.
Okay, just packing away. So quickly before you go, how did you find today? Because the ICSN Cooking Masterclass.
I really enjoyed it. It was lovely. I like that she walked us through every single step, and I can actually cook.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I really, really enjoyed it.
So would you recommend it to others?
Oh, 100%.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So how did you find the masterclass today?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Yeah, I enjoyed cooking all the different dishes. So, so I really enjoyed the class. Yeah.
And what was your favourite food to cook?
The ogbono soup. Yeah. So I enjoyed that making that. Yeah.
That's good. So you definitely come back again.
Yeah.
All right, because you've been a few times
I've been
before,
a
I
few
think.
times, yeah.
All right, I'm happy you enjoyed it.
Yeah.